Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your clip and selecting a track purposefully. Open TikTok, tap plus to create, then import or record your video. Make sure the app is updated. Next, tap sounds and browse categories or search a specific song. Choose a clip length between 15 and 60 seconds for best sync. If you plan original audio, record with good levels and consider uploading via TikTok's uploader. Once done, you'll be ready to align music with visuals. Now you focus on precise syncing and audio balance. Tap Edit Sound to trim the selected music to the exact segment you need, then use Split to place sections at specific moments. This makes cuts hit beats. Adjust volume to blend music with original audio so dialogue stays clear. Start around 30–50% for background music and tweak by ear. Use align or manual nudging to match beats to visual cuts. Make sure transitions are smoothed with short fades. Finish by reviewing and publishing confidently. Preview the whole video several times and listen on headphones to catch clipping or volume jumps. Add fade and slash out if needed. Add captions, select a cover frame, and credit the track in the description when using non-library audio. Post and monitor for copyright notices. If audio is muted or claimed, immediately swap to a licensed TikTok sound or trim the clip under allowed duration. If problems persist, re-upload using TikTok Sounds Library to avoid claims.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.